Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Austin Betha. If today is your first time on my channel, you are definitely welcome. And if today isn't your first time, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Guys, today we'll be making some akara because enough of rice, enough of yam and the rest of it. So we're going to be making some akara. Here I have my picked beans already, and then my peppers and onions, some vegetable oil, my salt, and a blender. So if you're interested in this recipe, then definitely keep watching. So the first thing I want to do is put some water into this so I can soak it for a little while. Just enough water to cover the beans. While this is soaking away, I'm going to just chop up my onions and dice this one into little cubes just to get ready and make everything simpler. Guys, now our beans is ready to get peeled. As you can see, it's now very easy to take off. So what soaking does to it is it just helps the skin become really soft so that peeling it can just be an easy process. I have my onions and I shredded my pepper. I took out the seeds except for the scotch bonnet, which I left the way it is. Other than that, I took out the seeds from the red chili pepper. I already diced some here and I still have my salt. So let's just get into the process. So now I have most of the beans peeled out. What I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be sieving it out and taking out the back. Now our beans is properly cleaned. Maybe not properly because I have a few of the backs in it and I don't know how to take it off completely. So if you have a method for that, please let me know in the comment section, because this is something I've been struggling with and my mom is always laughing at me because I never get it clean completely. But this will do because normally we eat the back, so nobody's going to die, right? So we're going to put this now into the blender alongside the peppers and the onions, and we're just going to blend it. So we're just going to add a little water, just enough water to help it blend easily. Now that we have our beans properly blended, we're just going to add the chopped onions and some salt and give this a stir. Like I said, you want to make sure that the water is not too much in your beans so that it has a little bit of thickness to it. And then you want to taste for salt. I might have to put a little bit more. Now that everything has been fully stirred, we want to get our oil hot a little bit. Not so hot, because once you put your paste into it, it just burns, because the oil will be too hot for it. You also do not want to overcrowd your pan so that they have enough space to cook evenly. You also need to watch it closely and stir from time to time. Guys, the akara is ready. You want to make sure that they are golden brown before you take them out. And then transfer into a kitchen paper, just so that it absorbs most of the oil. And that's it, guys. All you need to do is repeat the process until you exhaust everything in your bowl. It's really easy, it's really tasty, and I'm going to be having this with some bread. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, share this video to as many people as you can, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.